Hello, good morning, friends. Today we discuss the subject corporate accounting syllabus semester third. First of all, welcome to all become second year students in academic year 2021-22. Friends, this syllabus is very easy to study. This total subject is a numerical subject, and we discuss about the subject units. In this subject, first unit or chapter, that is new concept in corporate accounting. In this unit, we studied introduction to corporate accounts, transactions, ATM, CDM. CDM means cash dispensing machines, bouncing of a check, debit card, credit card, demat account, e-banking, EFT, PAN, plastic money, NIFT, RTGS, a difference between NIFT and RTGS, then IFSC code, swipe machine, point of sale only, mobile banking. In mobile banking, we studied phone pay, Google Pay, and then internet banking. These all chapters are theoretical chapter, and recent concept has been given in these chapters, which is very useful to us or business or everyone. Then second unit or chapter, that is issue of shares. In this unit, we studied meaning and process of issue of shares, forfeiture and reissue of equity shares, practical problems on accounting entries of issue, forfeiture and reissue, considering pro rata allotment of shares. This chapter is totally numerical chapter. The problem has been given to you, and we must solve that problem. All problems relating to shares, issue of shares. In this chapter, we must draft some entries. 11, 12 entries we must draft in a problem, and some ledger accounts have also we prepare in this chapter. So this chapter is very easy to understand. If you once understand, then you definitely success or know about the issue of shares. Then third one unit or chapter is company final accounts. Company final accounts, this unit is preparing some account, that is trading profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, and balance sheet. But in this year or in this subject, the all accounts has been prepared in prescribed format of Company Act 2030. In this unit, theoretically, we must know the introduction of company final accounts, provisions, and preparation of profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, balance sheet as per revised prescribed format of Company Act 2030. Then fourth chapter is redemptions of preference shares. In this chapter, meaning and procedure of redemptions of preference shares. Redemption means to return the capital. Redemptions in both or two ways. That is, first redemption out of fresh issue of equity shares. This method also used for redemptions of preference shares. and second method, that is redemption out of revenue profit of company. In these redemptions, these two methods are followed, and on these two methods practical problems on journal entries of redemptions of preference shares and balance sheet after redemptions of preference shares. The last one chapter is profit prior to incorporation. In this chapter we must know the meaning, allocation of expenses and incomes between pre and post period, and find out or profit or loss. In this chapter only prepare the trading and profit and loss account for finding out profit or loss. This is last unit. So these are the fifth units of this subject for third sem. So for this topic or units, some recommended books to you. First is Advanced Accountancy, which is written by Gupta Ramaswamy, Sultan Chand and Sons. Second, you also Modern Accountancy, Hanif and Mukherjee, McGraw Hill's Educations. Third one, A New Approach to Accountancy, written by H.R. Kotalwar, Discovery Publishers. Fourth one is also Advanced Accountancy, Jain and Narang, Kalyani Publishers. Fifth one is Corporate Accounting, Dr. H.W. Kulkarni, Dr. R.B. Gadgeswar and Dr. S.S. Jadhav. These all recommended books are usable for this fifth units. So search it and use these books. So thank you friends. Stay home, stay safe, stay online, stay digital. If any problem, ask me on my email or on my mobile number. My mobile number is 9881480582. Thank you.